I'ma head out then.
Alright guys, we're on the way back home. Man, almost all the way home, and then we ran into a storm. I thought we dodged it. But we almost home now, so y'all be sure to stay tuned. It got hot in here now. Stay tuned, got unloud behind us. And we almost home, man, and we definitely gonna get this footage up, man. Y'all be sure to share the video. Like, share, subscribe. Hit the notification bell. What else? I do have a Patreon too if y'all want to use that. You feeling generous? Cash out BASSWITHKEV.com if y'all appreciate the content. Y'all want to see me go to more shows or whatever. You know, you want to contribute or however you like to do. That's fine too. If not, that's fine. But be sure, the most importantly, support the channel by subscribing and sharing the videos. We're gonna definitely keep these videos coming. And like I say, it was a good trip this time, and it was of course raining on the second day, and we got a series we're gonna do. We ain't gonna quite say what it is, but y'all stay tuned. Y'all see what we got going on. We're gonna get to work. The slam is over with, so y'all stay tuned. Y'all see what we got coming up next. See y'all back.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the
Equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.